YouTube, it's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and I'm super excited to be doing this video today because it's all about my Boxyluxe. So if you want to see what I received in my Boxyluxe box, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes! It is Boxyluxe time, you guys, and I'm so excited because I had just signed up because Boxyluxe comes every 3 months. So I just signed up in time to get this month's box for March, and I'm really excited. So if you do not know what Boxyluxe is, so Boxyluxe is a subscription that you get every 3 months. You pay $24.99 every 3 months, and you get 8 to 9 full-size products that value over $250. Yes, $250 for $24.99 boo worth of products. You cannot beat that. So you know your girl had to sign up as soon as I could, and lo and behold, I got on the waiting list and I sure did make it to get my box, and it just came today. So that's why I am doing this video right now. I know I filmed another video for today, but I had to get this done. So let's go on and get started because I know that's what y'all are here for, and so am I. So let's open this box. Ooh. All right, so it says Boxycharm, Boxyluxe. So when you open the box, and this is the card, it says pretty edgy is the theme, and it does have the names of the products on the back and the pricing, which, you know, I don't read unless I have to. But yeah, so we're going to toss the little papers and get them tossed. So, first up, we have is the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette, which I have been seeing people do some pretty looks with. So I'm excited to try it out. So let's get it open. Ooh, and the packaging is real pretty. That's super cute. Let's open this. Ooh, she's pretty. Because I haven't really seen the palette, but I've seen people do makeup looks with it. Like I've seen, like, you know, actual looks on Instagram. But yeah, look at that. That is gorgeous. It doesn't do it justice on camera. Well, from my angle. Maybe y'all can see it really good. But yeah, swipe up is pretty. So let's see. Ooh, let's see. I'm going, ooh, it's like two, I don't know. There, look at that. You see that? It's like a pink, purple, blue. It got all kind of colors to it. I like that. That is nice. I can't wait to play with this one too. Ooh, we got, this is nice. So that is a winner. Dropping stuff. Next up, I see I have the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Ooh, y'all know I'm about taking care of the canvas, okay? So it says PMD Clean is a smart facial cleansing device that uses sonic glow technology. It has 4 customizable modes and brush optimized for all skin types. Ooh, let's just open this. I'm excited. I thought I seen people get like a wand or whatever, but I guess I got this, so I'm happy with this. Ooh, and ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is nice. I gotta put a battery and stuff in it. Maybe I'll do a review video on it because I don't want to like get too, I don't want to put the battery and stuff in it just yet. Oh, look, I just dropped the battery. But yeah, I can't wait to try this out. I'll probably do a review video on it to see how it performs. But yeah, this is nice. Okay, very different. All right, next up, this is by QMS Medicosmetics, if I'm saying that correctly. It's Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. So it says lightweight serum formulated to hydrate and plump the lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Skin types all. So, and I definitely need to get some lip smoothing because for some reason lately my lips have been, if I don't have no lip gloss on or something, they just not looking right. So I'm excited. Ooh, and it pops up like this. I thought it was going to like pull off, y'all, but it like, look, you see that? Phew, the little pop-up pump. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. Let's see if it has like a smell or something. All right, so it came out milky. It just smells like any other chemical stuff, but it is really soft and moisturizing. I can say that. So, but it just smells like any other moisturizing stuff. It doesn't really have a specific scent. So next up is a blush by Elizabeth Moth, and this is in Peach Pink. Ooh, that sounds very pretty and very nice for springtime. And I think peachy pink colors would go good with my skin tone. And yes, this is very pretty. So I can't wait. Look at that. It's nice. So let's give it a little swatch and see how she looks, y'all. Very light. Let's do another swatch. That was really, really light, y'all. Okay. Alright, I was trying to get some on my finger, but I guess I gotta put a little more. And there she goes. She's very hint, which that's what blush is supposed to be. So we will see how she does with some makeup. I think it looks decent. You can see her. But we're gonna have to put her on my cheeks this. See, look, show me your cheeks. Ain't that cute? But yeah, so I'm definitely gonna try this out in a little look and see how that does and on my skin and how it blends together, because I usually go with a more burgundy pink type of blush, but we gonna see. Alright, next up, this is by Nars. It's the Powermatte Lip Pigment, and this is in Call Me. So this is the this is the packaging. And let's see. I'll have the prices and everything linked in the description box so you can see how much everything costs. And I only paid $24.99 for it. So, and this packaging is very cute and very different. I don't think I've ever seen one like this. You see that? Super cute. And it looks like it's like a pink. Yeah, it's a pink peachy. So let's do a little, oh yeah. That is like a Barbie bubblegum pink for show. The camera is not picking, I don't know, I gotta see, because in the viewfinder it does not look like it's doing it justice, but this is like really neon, real neon. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's really neon. If I wear this, it'll be like just for like maybe just to take pictures in, or just to do some type of really cool makeup look. But that's it, not for an everyday, not for me. But yeah. Alright, so next up, it says we got the Invisibbobble, the Traceless hair ring. Okay, so it's like a little hair tie. That's okay. I don't know what to think about this, to be honest with you. I think it's stupid. Just to be honest. It says it's a traceless hair tie, but look at it. It's like one of those things you put your keys on. Like, you can get this at the dollar store. Hello. I'm just saying. So, I mean, I guess it's a cool idea. We can try it out and see, but I don't know. I just think this, it says traceless, high wearing, comfort, hair loving, strong grip, non-soaking, up dual 2. I just think this is like really useless and pointless. I mean, just to be honest with you. Okay. And then next up, it looks like I have some brushes from Bombshell Bakery. Ooh. Sounds like some baking tools, right? Let's see. And I'm not talking about in the kitchen. No, I'm playing. That was funny though. Let's see. I had to, y'all. Oh, okay. It's like are these straws? These aren't brushes. Hold on. Yes, I figured it out. Sorry, y'all. These are not brushes. I thought they were because it said Bombshell Bakery on there, as you seen. Bombshell Baker, sorry. And then when I pulled it out, it's like a spoolie and some, yeah. But they're actually stainless steel straws. And that's perfect because, you know, everybody's going green and getting rid of the plastic straws. And I like to drink out of a straw because I drink red wine, sodas and stuff. And to keep these pearly whites white, honey, drink through a straw. So I drink most of my drinks through a straw, pretty much all my drinks through a straw. And this is really, really nice to have. So I'm pleased with this. And they're gold, honey. Hey, made me feel all cute and bougie. Gonna get me a gold cup to match my gold straw, okay? And if I can't find one, you know I'm the queen of spray painting, boo. No, I'm the DIY queen of spray painting. I'll spray paint it gold. All right, so next up we have, I think it might be a 2-item duo, but it is by the Sol de Janeiro. I'm sorry. And this is the Coco Cabana cream. So I've never got this, but I've heard stories. And she smells good. She smells like a hair grease, y'all. I'm sorry, but if y'all know like Blue Magic or the BB, whatever that hair grease with the BB in the white container, y'all know what I'm talking about if you ever got your hair done using some grease. That's what it smells like. It don't stink. It smells really good. But that's what it smells like to me. And the next one I got from Sol de Janeiro is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. So this is like fast absorbing body cream. So I'm excited to try these out because I've heard good reviews on them. And this one smells more, I can't pinpoint the scent of it, but I've smelt it before. But it's reminded me of something in that nostalgia, kind of like this one with the grease. I'm sorry, but I'm just not sure how to put my finger on it. But it smells really good. But yeah, these are all the items that I got in my Boxyluxe. So I got 8 full-size items, which I don't think these are full-size. These are actually sample size, and because they got some full-size, they got bigger ones of these, okay? And these little hair rings, no, this is boo-boo. So I'm not sure. I mean, I did get some good items. I'm going to definitely use these straws and the facial sonic cleanser, and definitely try this lip line stuff out and the palette. But as far as everything else in here, it was a dud to me. So maybe I don't know. You know, I've seen other people opening up their boxes and they got some really, really nice stuff. I thought I was gonna get the little curling iron thing and I didn't, or the wand, and I didn't, but that's okay. I do like the facial sonic glow cleanser thing. But as far as the lipstick, is way too bright for me. Look at that. And then these are sample sizes, not full size. And come on now, I don't need these at all. So I don't know. I'm gonna give them a try one more time in the next 3 months. But if that box is a dud, I'm not going to be getting the Boxyluxe, and I'll just stay with my base box and my premium. So yeah, as of right now, that's how it's seeming. And I've never really been disappointed in the box, but this was supposed to be over $250, and I don't really see where the $250 is. I mean, you know, some stuff be overpriced or whatnot, but here I would have got, you know, it was me, I would have got a lot more products for $250, but that's okay. But I am pleased with my straws, okay? You cannot go wrong with that. I am very pleased with that. And this, I think these are the 2 things that I am pretty much really pleased with. The blush, that's okay. The lipstick is not going to really match me. Probably just take some photos when I do a bomb look or whatever. And then this lip line thing, I got to try it on and see if it actually works or not. So it could be a dud. I don't know. But I'm not really as happy with this box as I was when I first was opening it. As you can tell, y'all saw it going down, okay? But yeah, that's all I have for this video. Let me know if you got a Boxyluxe. What did you get in your box this month? And let me know, did you like any items out of this, out of my box for this month, out of my Boxyluxe? Because, I mean, I pretty much only really like 2 things out of the 9. I mean, you know, yeah, I'm going to use these, maybe throw them in a giveaway. I don't know, but definitely nostalgia. They both smell good, but like I said, I don't know what I'm going to do. I would have preferred to get bigger sizes, but hey, it is what it is. But yes, that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I hope that it was helpful because it's my honest opinion. So if it was, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.